How I got 5,347 customers for my client's business. Well, let me tell you a little story. Last year, my client named Jake came to me and he was really frustrated at the time. He just launched his business. It was a productivity app. He'd done it about 6 months earlier. Everything was complete and he was trying to market it and get customers. And he got to about 300 users. And then he was really struggling. He just couldn't get any more customers. And so he came to me for my help. Despite he thought that he had a perfect product, during the first session, we started to notice a few things. So I asked him to show me all the user analytics in the app. And so we dug into the data and I found something really interesting. So out of the 300 users he had, there was one user that just kept coming back into the app every single day. I kept logging in, using the app every single day for 8 weeks straight. So I told him, I said, have you spoke to this user? Have you actually rung them up? And he said, no. And I said, well, this is what we need to do. We need to ring that user and find out why she keeps coming back to the app every single day. And he was really hesitant. He didn't want to do it. He didn't want to bother her. And I really insisted that we need to call this person. And so Jake did call her. And she told him something really amazing that shifted his perspective on it. So she said to him, your app helps me remember to call my mother every single day. She's very elderly and I'm really busy and I forget to call her. So I feel really guilty about forgetting. So since using your app, I've become a better daughter because I've been ringing her constantly. And so my client, Jake, his eyes lit up and he was like, I don't think my app is solving a productivity problem. It was solving like a guilt problem and helping people maintain relationships. So I coached him and we pivoted all his marketing. So instead of targeting like busy professionals that need productivity, we started targeting like older children that wanted to stay connected with their aging parents. And surprisingly, within 6 months, Jake went from like 300 users to over 5,000 users with the exact same product. We didn't change anything about the app. It was just the marketing and the positioning. So the lesson in this story is that probably your customers aren't buying what you think you are selling. And the fastest way to unlock explosive growth is to discover the transformation your best customers are actually experiencing. Then market that transformation instead of all your features and stuff. So don't assume you know why people buy from you. Ask them directly. The answer will often surprise you and reveal a much bigger, less competitive market than you imagined. So I hope that video gave you some insights today. So dig deeper, find out if you have one of these similar customers that is using your product or service all the time and try and get some data out of them. And that might help you grow your business. So thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.